Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 1. Today we are going to start English grammar class. You can take out the English grammar book chapter 16 page number 61. In page number 61 you can see opposite word. So today we are going to learn about opposite word. Opposite word means विपरीत शब्द. Fat, thin. For example, fat मोटा पतला. Fat, thin. Big, small, young, old, hot, cold. So these are the opposite word. For example, tall, short. You can see Varun lost his, lost, found, old, rich, poor. So these are the opposite words. So you can see the examples: fat, thin, big, small, hot, cold, young, old. So fat मोटा का, thin, big, small, hot, cold, गरम ठंडा, cold, young, old. So this is opposite word. There are so many opposite words like tall, short, right, and big, small. For example, rich, poor, and you can see fat, thin. So take the correct option. Now we are going to do opposite word assignment. Arun is tall but his brother is, when Arun is tall, so opposite, in opposite word what will happen? Arun is tall, his brother is fat. My aunt is fat but my uncle is, जब उनकी aunt मोटी है, fat, but his uncle is, but my uncle is thin, पतला. Varun lost his ball but his friend dashed it. Varun ने ball खो दिया, lost. A lost in opposite word is found. Varun lost his ball but his friend found it. Mr. Sharma is rich man but his servant is, when Mr. Sharma is rich, so his servant is poor, garib. Look at the pictures and write the name, write the opposite word. Boy, girl, king, queen, hot, cold. You can see cold, hot. So these are the opposite word. Boy, girl, king, queen, hot, cold, cold, hot. Okay. Now take the correct opposite for the word given below. Big, small. Big, you have to take big, small, fat, thin, wet, dry, laugh, cry. जब आप हंस रहे हो तो ऑपोजिट वर्ड क्या होगा? रोना, cry. Right, wrong, sad, happy. When you are sad, in opposite word what will be happen? Happy. So big, small, fat, thin, wet, dry. Wet मतलब भीजना and dry means सूखा, right? Laugh, cry, right, wrong, sad, happy. So you can do this in your copy. Opposite word. So what is opposite word? Like for example, big, small, young, old, hot, cold. So there are so many examples in opposite word. You can do this in your copy and you can write the examples in your book also. Okay. So I will give you some examples and homework. Example number 1, you can write, note down. Harvest, harvest, plant. This is the opposite word. Number 2, you can see health, disease, diseased. Number 3, you can see healthy, ill. Number 4, hell. Hell, like example, go to hell. For example, you are telling your friend go to hell, so in opposite word, heaven. Heaven. Number 5, life, death. Number 6, past, future. Number 7, son, daughter. Number 8, father, mother. So this is the example. You can see there are so many examples: harvest, plant, health, disease, healthy, ill, hell, heaven, life, death, past, future, son, daughter, father, mother. And there are so many examples like long, short. You can write long, short also. Long, short. Many, few. Many, few. So these are the opposite word. There are so many opposite word. Like for example, low, high. So low, high. Low, high. Okay. Now male, female. Male, female. This is your homework. You can copy in your, you can copy this in your school copy. Major, minor. So do this in your copy. Exercise. This is your homework. These are the opposite word. There are so many opposite word. You can find by yourselves also. Okay. Ask your sister, ask your brother. So there are so many opposite words like short, tall, hot, cold, male, female, daughter, son, brother, sister, mother, father, many, few, long, short, hell, heaven, healthy, ill, health, disease, harvest, plant. So these are the opposite word. We have finished the chapter 16. So for today this much. Thank you. Have a good day.